Dallas-Fort Worth. Our captain for today is Young Younger. He's accompanied by our first officer, Chad Zorba. Our flight to Dallas-Fort Worth will be approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes. Current weather conditions in Dallas are clear skies with a temperature of 50 degrees. Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the following safety video.
There are so many places to go in this world.
So many airlines that you take you. So we thank you.
For making the journey with us.
Thank you.
We're glad you're here.
And now we'd like you to pay attention to the following safety commands.
First, please fasten your seatbelt. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the loose end of the strap tight. To open, lift up on the button.
We recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, and turbulence can occur unexpectedly.
As we prepare to take off, please be sure your seat back, tray table are up, and carry-on baggage is under your seat.
Smoking is not allowed at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the lavatories may result in a fine.
U.S. law requires passengers to comply with all signs and criminal instructions about seatbelts and smoking. So that you may follow along, we have provided a safety instructions card in your seat pocket. All exits on this airplane are closed. Please refer to safety instructions card to locate your nearest exit. Keep in mind, the closest exit may be behind you. Each cabin exit is equipped with an evacuation slide. These slides, except those over the wings, may also be used as ramps. This aircraft has escape path lighting sign. Red lights or an exit sign will indicate you have reached an exit. In an emergency evacuation, leave all carry-on bags behind and quickly proceed to the nearest exit.
If the aircraft cabin loses pressure, the panel above your seat containing oxygen mask will open automatically.
While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, quickly reach the nearest mask and pull down firmly to start the flow of oxygen. Put the yellow cuff over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Breathe normally. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bags may not inflate. Always put your own mask on first, and then help others near you.
The light vest is located under the seat or next to your seat. The safety instruction card shows the exact location.
To use the vest, open the cover by pulling the red tab or compartment handle to break the seal.
Remove the vest from the package like this.
Put the vest on over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and attach the buckle. Pull the loose end of the strap to tighten.
Once outside, pull down on the red tab or blow with the red tube to inflate the vest. There is also a light that will illuminate upon contact with water. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane. If necessary, an infant flight vest will be restricted by a flight attendant. The safety instructions card shows how to use the vest. The crew will now be coming through to do a final cabin check.
We'll be back after takeoff with more information about your flight.
Thank you for your attention and for choosing American Airlines.
Thank you for flying American. We're glad to be your airline.
We're glad you're here.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 194, service to the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. I'm Captain Steve Junker, welcoming you guys. It's going to be a relatively quick flight, not too bad. And once we're airborne, I'll give you weather information and any other pertinent arrival information for Dallas-Fort Worth. You're in an Airbus A319. It's a cool airplane, lots of cool electronics. I hope you enjoy it. I'll talk to you soon.